Welcome to Let's Talk. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Judy here. If you don't know, I'm an average person, but I don't worship billionaires, nor do I love dictators. I fight for freedom, human rights, democracy, and science. And I upload weekly to this series, which talks about history, culture, economics, and more. Okay, my friends, before we dive into today's topic, please allow me to thank the friends who bought me coffee from my website last week. Thank you so much for your kind support, my friends. Thank you. Okay, my friends, have you watched the film The Texas Chain Saw Massacre? Yeah, it's a 1974 horror film, and it's terrifying. But now, after more than 50 years, the reality is more terrifying. Why? Well, if you're not a new friend, you might know that I've talked about Argentina's far-right libertarian president Javier Milei in my previous videos. And now my predictions in those videos become realities. And in February 2025, this very year's president gave Elon Musk the so-called bureaucracy chainsaw and a conservative gathering outside Washington. Why? Well, because Musk has been following Argentina's steps, which sadly means that today's situation in Argentina will be the future for Americans. In the film of the Texas Chain Saw Massacre, the man killed many people. But in reality, right now, Elon Musk's Doge is killing both the American economy and people's livelihood. And it might also kill people's lives indirectly. So I think that Musk's Doge might hurt, even kill more people than the murderer in the 1974 film. How so? Well, as we have seen, that Musk has randomly fired federal employees and cancelled scientific researches that are crucial for people's health, right? The people who have been laid off will join the job searching market. It'll be getting harder to find a job, especially during this new industrial revolution, where people are replaced by both AI and robots. So Musk's Doge is hurting people's livelihood. More and more ordinary people will be suffering from it. As for killing people's lives, the scientific researches for human health and diseases that are cancelled will not be able to save people's lives, meaning hundreds or even thousands of people might lose their lives because of his Doge. For example, federal funding for pediatric cancer research and treatment was cut from the 2025 federal budget, which means this cut might cause children lose their lives. So I believe that Elon Musk's Doge might kill more people than the man in the film. These are just the direct impacts of Doge, and there are many indirect impacts and butterfly effects, which are not good either. Of course, these are just my personal opinions based on my own knowledge. What's your opinion, my friends? Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet. I'm Judy Fay London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and non-fiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website judyfaylondon.com or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Rat, Candy the dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with the Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and I thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels, Judy Fay London and Judy Plus. Judy Fay London is a comprehensive channel, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting discoveries in the world of science. Thank you for watching, and my friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Thank you.